If your dates in Google Sheets are showing up in the wrong language, the fix is quick and lives in one setting. The Locale setting controls how dates, times, and currencies are formatted, and switching it changes the language of month names automatically. Here we have a spreadsheet with dates in English, like 11 Jan 2024, and we're going to switch them to Spanish. If this walkthrough helps you out, a quick really does make a difference. Start by opening the File menu in the top left corner. From that menu, choose Settings near the bottom. A Settings window pops up, and you're already on the General tab where the Locale option lives. The Locale decides which country's formatting rules your spreadsheet follows, including the language used for dates. Open the Local dropdown to see the full list of countries. Scroll through the list and pick whichever country matches the language you want your dates in. In this case, Spain is selected, which will switch the date language to Spanish, but any country in the list works the same way. Once you've made your choice, hit the green Save and Reload button to apply it. The spreadsheet reloads itself, which only takes a few seconds. When it comes back, the dates in the sheet are now written with Spanish month abbreviations, like 11N 2024. Every date that uses a month name updates on its own, so there's nothing to fix cell by cell. Keep in mind this change applies to the whole spreadsheet, not just one column, and it also affects things like currency and number formats. That's all it takes. One setting in the File menu, and your dates switch to whatever language you need. Thanks for sticking around, and if you want more quick Google Sheets fixes like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them.